The next best thing to the enjoyment of a good time is the recollection of it. Yes, dear parents, it's time for a quick flashback. It's time for our annual report. I request Mrs. Shahnaz Banu, Center Head, Kidzi Pallikarnai, to come on to the stage and present the annual report.
Esteemed guests, respected teachers, valued business partners, honorable center head, and our cherished students, a very warm welcome to each one of you. It is a moment of immense pride and joy as we celebrate the 14th annual day of Kidzi Palikarani. I, Mrs. Shehnaz Banu, the center coordinator, feel honored to present our annual report highlighting our key achievements, significant events, and our journey towards excellence. Our school thrives on the unwavering commitment of our educators and staff. We are proud to have a team of 24 dedicated teaching staff and 15 non teaching staff who play a crucial role in shaping the future of our young learners. Our annual report not only celebrates the achievements of our school but also reinforces our determination to reach new milestones. Our philosophy has always been to nurture young minds with the right values, knowledge, and skills that will empower them for a bright future. At Kidzi Pallikarnai, we believe in holistic education that balances academics with co curricular and extracurricular activities, ensuring a well rounded development for every child. Our year commenced with an enlightening parent orientation program introducing the Pentamind curriculum. This unique approach develops five essential minds in our students: empathetic mind, encouraging understanding and compassion; conscientious mind, building responsibility and integrity; focused mind, enhancing concentration and perseverance; analytical mind, strengthening problem solving skills; inventive mind, inspiring creativity and innovation. By fostering these attributes, we aim to create future leaders who believe in collective growth rather than individual success. Keeping pace with the evolving world, we have embraced technology for better communication and transparency. Our school mobile app has revolutionized parent teacher interaction, enabling real time updates on daily attendance, periodic performance reports, important announcements, and notices. This initiative has strengthened our bond with parents and made school management more efficient. To ensure a fun filled learning experience, students from playgroup to senior KG visited Just Jump, a recreational zone where they engaged in exciting activities and play. Grade 1 and 2 kids were taken to Train Museum. Children had a fun trip to the Train Museum to see and learn about trains. They enjoyed looking at the big trains, playing with fun activities. It was a great way for them to learn about trains and have an exciting adventure. A Color Day celebration helped children learn about colors through interactive and enjoyable activities. A dental and eye checkup camp was organized for all students and staff, where doctors provided valuable advice on maintaining good vision and oral hygiene. Talents Day provided a platform for students to showcase their skills in yoga, puzzles, country flags recognition, dance, and singing. At Kidzi Pallikarnai, we emphasize the importance of family values and strengthening relationships. Events such as Grandparents' Day, Women's Day, and Father's Day were celebrated to honor the wisdom and love of family members, fostering strong emotional connections and creating a joyful, harmonious environment. Our students enthusiastically participated in Independence Day, Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas, Pongal, Krishna Janmashtami, Onam, Dashara, and Friendship Day, fostering a spirit of unity and secularism. Culmination Day featured science expos, project displays, and public speaking activities promoting experiential learning. At Kidzi Pallikarane, we understand that each child is unique. Our teachers identify students who require additional support and offer special counseling and guidance, ensuring that every child progresses with confidence. Our young scholars have excelled in various Olympiad examinations, proving their academic brilliance. From grade 1 and 2, in Mathematics Olympiad, 7 kids received Medal of Excellence. In General Knowledge Olympiad, 1 student secured Medal of Excellence. And in Science Olympiad, 4 received Medal of Excellence and 2 kids qualified for the next level. In English Olympiad, 10 participated and 6 won the Medal of Excellence. In Hindi Olympiad, 3 participants all won gold medals. And from Junior KG and Senior KG, in EVS Olympiad, 14 participants, 8 kids won gold, 1 silver and 5 bronze. In English Olympiad, 16 participants, 15 kids won gold, 1 child won silver. In Mathematics Olympiad, 28 participants, 21 kids won gold, 1 silver, 4 of them won bronze. It's a proud moment indeed. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Adding to our list of proud achievements, Kidzi Pallikarane has been honored as the best school in Tamil Nadu and Kerala to receive the prestigious Torch Bearer of Excellence Award from Zealand. Thank you. This accolade is a testament to our commitment to quality education and holistic development. Collaborations with leading schools. Our students transition smoothly into reputable institutions as we maintain strong ties with Indian Public School, Hindustan International School, AKG Public School, Virthi Montessori School, I2 Global School, Orchids International School, Wales Global School, and Rabindra Bharati School. In summary, we kicked off with a parent orientation. We explored colors and creativity on Color Day. We jumped, danced, and played our hearts out at Just Jump. We saw future Olympians shine at the Maths, Science, and Hindi Olympiads. And we won the Torch Bearer of Excellence Award. What a fantastic year it has been. Thank you. As I conclude this report, I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed guests, dedicated teachers, supportive business partners, and most importantly, our wonderful students and their families. Your unwavering support and commitment make Kidzi Pallikarane a beacon of excellence. Let's continue our journey towards greater success and make learning an enjoyable experience for every child. Enjoy the day. Our little tots and toddlers will entertain you with their mesmerizing performance. Thank you.